In this video, you're going to learn how to capture email addresses without needing a website. And I'll show you a perfect example of this. Here is a Twitter page. You can see that they say in their bio here that they're working with entrepreneurs to solve the world's hardest problems. Follow along through our weekly newsletter. And then we can see a link actually here to a standalone page where we can sign up to their email newsletter. Now you can see this is not going to their website. It's just a page where you can sign up to their email list. So this is an extremely handy way to connect or to collect email addresses even if you don't have a website. And so in order for you to set this up for yourself, you firstly want to log into your MailChimp account and then click into the list that you've created. And you want to come down to sign up forms and then you want to select general forms. Now it's in here that you can design your own standalone page like this. You can see here that they have edited the list name. So if you want to do that, you'd need to go back to the list and edit it there. But then in here, what you can also do is add or remove any fields. So let's say I didn't need to collect their phone number. I could remove that and then click delete and that will be removed. Now what I can do is take this link and paste that in my Twitter profile, Facebook profile, really anywhere in content that I've created to encourage people to sign up to my email list. So it's a very handy feature of MailChimp and it makes it incredibly easy to collect email addresses even if you haven't got a website set up. So go ahead and check it out for yourself. Once again, you want to come into your lists. Then you want to come into sign up forms, and to do this you want to look at the general form and you can edit it in there.